Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule your TikTok videos on PC. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at top right corner. Just hover over there. And now you can see the live studio option, or you can simply click on upload option. So simply tap on upload option and you'll be redirected to the TikTok studio. And now let's upload a video first. Now once you upload the video, you need to scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to see the schedule options on in the screen. So once you enable it, simply click on allow button, and now you'll be able to schedule your TikTok video successfully. So basically this is how you can schedule your TikTok videos on PC, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that we can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.